The ocean, inhabiting over 70% of the Earth's surface, the ocean is a vast, incredible wonder. Home to over 1 million species of plants, animals, it is estimated that there are another 9 million undiscovered. We rely on it to breathe. The activities of photosynthetic organisms in the ocean create most of the oxygen in the atmosphere that we breathe. By 2010, 80% of the world's population lived within 60 miles to an ocean, and 3/4 of the world's megacities are by water bodies. And yet, we abuse our relationship with the ocean. Our destructive practices are killing it. There is a plastic wasteland the size of Texas floating in the ocean. Plastic is also responsible for killing over 1 million seabirds, 100,000 sea animals, and countless fish each year. The coral reefs are disappearing, being bleached by chemicals and unable to live in the warming water. The ocean temperature rising is due to extra greenhouse gases trapping heat in the atmosphere. And we have overfished species to the point of collapse. The UN states that the lack of enforcement and overfishing has left 30% of fish stocks classed as collapsed. On current trends, some researchers estimate that virtually all commercial fisheries will have collapsed by 2050. A collapsed fish stock means that within the oceanic food web, there is now a hole. Other species that were reliant on the collapsed stock become threatened themselves. Bycatch is another issue from current fishing techniques such as trawlers and other mass net capture systems. Clearly, we need to make changes. So what can we do? The largest thing we can do to help the ocean is to be conscientious about our choices. We do this by educating ourselves on our purchases. We do this by going vegan. 51% or more of global greenhouse gas emissions are caused by animal agriculture. The United Nations has said that raising animals for food is one of the top 2 or 3 most significant contributors to the most serious environmental problems at every scale, from local to global. We must take action, hold ourselves accountable, and lessen our impacts on the earth. Go vegan. Stop eating all animal products, including fish. This not only lowers your exposure to chemicals and pollution from the ocean, it lowers the amount of methane produced, the deforestation for livestock, and the fossil fuels used to transport and power the production. Reducing these gases is the first step in fighting global warming, and in turn, keeping the ocean from continuously warming. So let's make changes now, so we have the ocean. For more information, check out the following sources.